All right, so in my books, this is what I call a good day. This is a good day. $442 in one day. All right, family, so this is 100% random, but I had to make a video because this was epic. I was gonna shoot the video yesterday, but I was so tired after that order. Basically, long story short, and I'm gonna show you some clips because I didn't have the camera. I had my cell phone, so I took a few video clips and a few images. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. But anyways, long story short, yesterday, I swiped a $200 Costco order. Now, at this moment, I'm gonna let the haters comment down below, bought. All right, now after all the haters are done commenting bought, let me let you guys know this is the second biggest order I've ever had in my life. It was crazy. $200 Costco. It was a ton of items, 60 plus items, right? 90 plus units at Costco, 90 units. So you guys can only imagine, I'm gonna show you in a second, how massive this batch was. But at the end of the day, this order was so fulfilling to me because of the cause, which you guys will see in a moment. Now, anyways, before I show you the batch and show you, the clips and everything like that, let's help out the fam and the ones who are doing this Instacart thing, the ones who are out there crushing it or trying to crush it and want to know these tips. This is why when I drop them, you guys need to, whoever's serious, just jump on it. I'm not trying to hype myself up, but at this point, I do believe that I have some different ways of doing things, and I am gonna be giving away all of my actual secrets like this. Even some of my best of friends do not know 100% all of my secrets, because you got to keep a little bit of stuff for yourself, right? There are literally 2 people that are close to me that know all of my tricks and secrets, and they bring in the same amount of revenue. So yeah, guys, when I drop this, for those of you that are serious, yeah, this is gonna be something that I'm gonna give away everything I know, okay? Even one of my buddies right now that I know is watching this, I see him around all the time in my area. He crushes it with Instacart. I know you're watching, bro. Even him, one day I walk into Costco and he's seen a 104. He ended up getting a 60. In this area, we all know each other. We're like, yo, what'd you get? Everyone asks everyone. Everyone always asks me what did I get, because they're all curious. But he said, oh man, I got a 60. He said, but I seen a 104. I said, I know, I got it. He said, man, because listen, everyone knows that, I know other stuff. At this point, a lot of people know that. There's a lot of things that go into it. One little tip I'm gonna give you in this video, which I'm quite sure you know already, is Instacart right now, the algorithm right now is location friendly. I don't mean the location of like where I am. No, I mean the store location. So you will see the batches to the store you are closest to, all right? And then on top of that, you want to be in the area where if you swipe a batch, you can actually start it from wherever you are. That's how close you want to be to that store. That's not really a tip. That's not even really a tip. That's common sense. But I just wanted to touch up on that because before you could be anywhere and swipe, maybe a random batch far away. You still can now, but it's not as likely as it was before. Now what they're doing is if you're kind of far and if you're seeing like small little orders or orders that really no one wants, it's because those are the leakage orders. Those are the orders that no one wanted, right? So let's say if you're at your house looking at orders and you're seeing like these horrible orders, you're probably seeing the last of the pot. The bottom of the pot. You're seeing the crumbs that nobody wanted because you're not at the location. So one of the main things is make sure you're at the location that you want to shop, okay? But anyways, without further ado, I want to show you guys this batch I did, and yeah, this is gonna be a quick video. I just want to show you guys, upload the footage from my phone and everything, and yeah, it's peace and love. Make sure you hit the subscribe, make sure you hit the like. $200 batch, crazy, insane. Yeah, second biggest batch I ever did in my life. First biggest batch was about 240 something. But yeah. All right, family. So first things first, a little bit of proof, because I know you guys are like, you know what? I hate saying that proof, because I don't gotta prove nothing to nobody. But I just wanted to show you guys. I just wanted to be generous enough to show you guys. How about that? All right. So right now, this is 4 days into the week. We're already at basically 1,200. I cannot stand when it looks like this. $1 short of a goal, but it's basically 1,200, which is $300 a day, which is not too bad. It's all right. But I stopped early today because I had to do stuff and book a trip and everything. So as you can see, guys, I stopped today at 175. My last batch was at 11. Look, my last batch was at 11:30 a.m. So I could have definitely, doubled this number at least. But anyways, I stopped early. Let's go to the day where we hit. Look, this was yesterday, 442 in one day. All right. So here's the batch. You guys can see that. Look, 197. It went down $3 because I had to refund one thing. It was a what's it called? Toilet paper. Costco had a limit, so I had to refund it. But yeah, 197.05 batch payout. Look at the tip. Here we go. Look at that tip right there. 171 tip. All right, guys, check that out. Yo, family, check this out, man. This is ridiculous. My buddy Chris came to save me again. Even, that's ridiculous. Chris came to save me again, guys. I'm about to load this all up. I gotta go because it's gonna take forever. I'm out. Peace. Result. Oh my gosh. Hey, this is the first time, really, like 100%, I needed 2 people. Like, this is ridiculous. Hey, Chris.
You called me at the right time.
Yeah. Shoot. All right, let's get out of here. And we just found out that we're helping out the refugees. This is amazing. This makes it better.